Redeeming American Express membership rewards points is straightforward and offers various options to maximize their value. Here's how to do it. Log into your account. Access your Amex account via the website or mobile app using your username and password. Navigate to Membership Rewards. Go to the Membership Rewards section, where you can view your points balance and redemption options. Explore redemption options. Travel. Book flights, hotels, car rentals, or cruises through Amex Travel. This can provide good value for your points. Transfer points. Transfer points to Amex's airline and hotel partners. This option often yields higher value, especially for premium travel bookings. Statement credits. Use points to cover eligible charges on your account. This is a flexible but often lower value option. Gift cards. Redeem points for gift cards from a wide range of retailers, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Shop with points. Use points for purchases at participating online retailers like Amazon. Events and experiences. Redeem points for exclusive access to events, concerts, and experiences through Amex's partners. Select and confirm redemption. Choose your preferred redemption option. Enter the required details and confirm the redemption. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Review and use. After redeeming, review the confirmation details. For travel bookings or transferred points, check the respective accounts for booking confirmations.